If Windows is flagging the icudt62.dll as missing or corrupted, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's resolve this together. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for icudt62, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the icudt62, part of the International Components for Unicode v62. This is the data DT library containing localized timezone, currency, and character set manifests. Without this data link, international software cannot correctly format localized dates or strings. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Unlike Windows core files, icudt62, DLL belongs to the specialized ICU environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including icudt62, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install icudt62.dll into directories where it doesn't belong. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for icudt62. If your workstation is back online and icudt62 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.